Before we figure out how the lathe works, let's first understand what its composition structure is like. 1. Bed-stable base for the machine. 2. Headstock and spindle rotates the workpiece. 3. Chuck holds the workpiece in place. 4. Tailstock supports the workpiece or aids in drilling. 5. Carriage moves and positions cutting tools. 6. Motor, feed system, and coolant ensures precision and extends tool life. A typical lathe comprises several key components, each of which fulfills a critical function in the machining process. So, how exactly does a lathe work? Please remember the following 8 steps. The turning process begins as the machine mounts the raw stock securely in the chuck or between centers. The chuck grips the outer surface of the workpiece and locks into the spindle, which the motor drives to rotate the part at a controlled speed. Select the appropriate tools such as turning tools, boring bars, chamfering tools, etc. Then align the tool with the workpiece to ensure that the cutting point makes correct contact with the workpiece. Set the spindle speed RPM, feed rate, and depth of cut. These parameters are incorporated directly into the program on CNC lathes. Start the spindle. Begin tool engagement, turning longitudinal, facing transverse, grooving or parting local cuts, etc. The material is sheared off to form chips. Coolant and chip breakers help to manage this process. Coolant is directed towards the interface in order to reduce heat and friction. With manual machines, you have to stop and inspect the dimensions. Use calipers and micrometers to make any necessary adjustments. Stop the machine and remove the workpiece after final machining. Finally, safety during operation must be kept in mind. 1. Before starting the machine, firmly fix the workpiece and keep it balanced. 2. Operators must not wear gloves or wear loose clothing to avoid getting caught by the moving parts of the machine. 3. When operating at high speed, use machine protection devices and chip guards. 4. Be cautious of hot chips and flying debris, and keep the working area clean to avoid tripping hazards.